explorers. Today I am exploring an area called Bangsar. So yes, there's Bangsar village in the background. Just need to figure out how to cross the road. I'll be completely honest, I've not done any research on what's around this area, so I don't know if there's anything worth filming, but we'll see. Now my understanding is that this area has become quite hipsterish, and I think you'll see that as we start walking around. Nice little coffee place. It's quite posh. Not too sure what the model of this car is, but it looks quite old. It doesn't feel like Kuala Lumpur, it feels like an Australian suburb. I'm really liking the street art as we walk around the streets. Some of the houses here are definitely more expensive than other parts of Kuala Lumpur. Interesting, the sign, there must be a lot of thieves around here. Pretty quiet around here, but it's nice to go for a stroll. Giving itself a good old lick. It's a really nice area and it's pretty quiet, to be honest. Obviously there's a lot of cars around, which surprises me, but yeah, it's really quiet and tranquil. Literally all the way up here is housing. There's not a great deal to explore. These little side streets are quite interesting. It's the back side of the restaurants, so the smells are delicious. Oh, the smells are so good. If I was in Kuala Lumpur with some mates, then I would definitely come to this area at night because there's lots of restaurants and bars. But during the day, not a great deal going on. So right now, I am inside Bangsar Village Mall. It's the usual shopping malls with the same shops in. Yeah, I'm not a big shopper, to be honest. I only try and buy stuff that I really need. The weather today is incredibly warm. It's about 92 degrees Fahrenheit, about 34 degrees centigrade. Hot. Okay, time to head back to my apartment, but don't go anywhere. I want to have a little chat with you all. In my apartment after a very hot and humid walk around Bangsar in Kuala Lumpur, a neighbourhood that definitely did surprise me. You know, lots of hipster cafes, designer fashion shops, lots of restaurants and bars. I can imagine it being very popular in the evening. Lots of shops closed today, which definitely was a surprise, but I suspect it's because of the Chinese New Year and businesses have closed over this period. Possibly, I don't know. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to mention a few things that a few of you brought up in the videos. Firstly, a lot of people have been asking me, when am I going to Putrajaya? Well, I'm going to be going on Friday. I'm stopping overnight, so I'll have all of Friday, most of Saturday to go out and explore. So expect a video from that on Sunday. Also, If you are new to this channel, there's a lot of people that have subscribed to this channel over the last month or so, and many of you don't comment. I would like to see more new names down in the comment section, so let me know what you thought about this little trip around Bangsar. I'm interested to know, is there anything that you would like me to improve in these videos, because this little community that we're building together is definitely growing. I've got a feeling by the end of this year we're going to get to 5,000 subscribers, and that would be a very good milestone. My goal is 10,000 subscribers, but we shall see. It will all depend on where I travel for the rest of the year, I suspect. More on that soon. And that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please do give it a thumbs up. If you get any questions or feedback or anything, just leave them down in the comments. I love comments. Leave me your comments. Just say hello, anything. Let's have a discussion down in the comments. If you're new to this channel, hit on that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you do not miss any future videos. I'm going to be having a video coming up tomorrow. It's a bit chill out day, but I'm going to be ordering some Malaysian food. I'm going to be showing you what food I eat for my lunch, so keep a lookout for that. See you tomorrow.